Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. This is your buddy Pete. I am currently looking at the, you're looking at the 2022 Pan America Special. And what you have today is we're going to be talking about this. Oops. This, which is the BPA Racing Chain Slack Adjuster Tool. Now, it's a great little gizzy. It just looks like this. So if you look on it here, so it's just got three things that go on the chain, and it's got little loose, tight, and then in the middle. I've already gone through and looked at the, like taking my tape measure, measuring the chain and all that. Did that about 600 so miles ago, and as you can tell, the bike's pretty dirty, so it's been through a lot. And so I want to check chain. So I adjusted this device, after I got the chain initially set. So now I'm going to come back and look at it again. So all you do is you just put it on. Can't remember how. Yeah, there we go. And then we look at it. All right. So if you can see here, let me move the camera. So if you can see here, this would be set to perfect. This side means it's a little tight, and this side is a little loose. Now, if we look at it, it's just barely off, so I'm not really even going to mess with it. But did you see how much time this saved me? Just this little gizzy here. Instead of, there's a tool in the Pan America that has, like, it's this little stick that you can stick up in here, and it's a real pain, and nobody really knows how to use it 100%. But this, for when I go on my trip, is so much easier because I can literally just chuck this on the chain, wiggle it around, check it, and I'm done. If I need to, I just come back. I can redo the, just tighten it up, loosen it, whatever I need to do. This is a very fast way, instead of breaking out a tape measure and checking your chain, especially when you're on those long trips on the road. It's the last thing you want to do, is go back and forth with how am I gonna check this chain because Harley Davidson wants you to check this chain every 600 miles. Well, when you're going on a 12,000 mile trip, that's a lot of checking your chain. And this thing's gonna save me so much time, and it pops right off. And the nice thing is it has a little carrying case here. Boom, I can throw that in my bag. I got nothing left to do. This is gonna save me so much time. If you're interested in it, I got a link below in the description. It's under a chain tool. So why don't you check it out? If you guys have chain motorcycles, this thing, once you get it set, you're done. And it just saves you so much time. Again, thanks for watching. If you found this quick little video helpful, click that like button. If you're willing, want to, subscribe, and we'll check you later. Bye.